we are gonna be eating.
Just testing a homemade burger.
And she burger is gonna be the best. Look at this burger. It's the best burger in Tobago. We are gonna eat this burger.
We're going to cut into it now.
Hi guys, look at the burger. Woohoo! We got fries and this red stuff
Please show it to
is
the camera.
paprika. This red
Alright,
stuff
Lukey will go first. Take your bite. Homemade burger.
burger. Okay, let's go.
Go closer. Bite into it. Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
And me.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
This is real good. Why are you going outside to pay $45 or $55 for this? And you could do it at home. I mean, it's real good.
I got fries
With paprika.
with paprika.
With paprika.
Mmm.
And this was our burger taste test, homemade burger. Show yours. And we lock and we out. We locking off. What you want to say? Them anything before we close off? Go ahead.
So, make sure sanitize, wash hand, and social distance.
And we out.
Bye bye.